Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add live captions on Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com or download the application. After that, you can go and log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the left side of the screen, we have the project, quick recordings, we have the AI speakers and templates, and the workspace here. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile and settings and the new project button, which you can of course go and click on. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add live captions on the script. So first of all, you need to go and open your project or create a new one by clicking new project and on the project. Drag and drop your video file into the project browser or upload it via YouTube link. This script will automatically transcribe the audio in your video. Wait a few moments for the transcription to complete. Then click on Caption button in the toolbar. At the top of the caption panel, choose where you want to apply the captions, for example, all scenes or just current scene. Adjust the position, style, color, and active word to all the captions. Then preview your video to ensure the captions are correctly timed. When you're ready, click on Publish to export your video with the live captions or download a standalone subtitle file in SRT or VTP format. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.